Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here, your Mr. Quick weather update. Tuesday looks like a pretty nice day. We'll start off with some clouds. We'll have temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. We'll have temperatures tomorrow warming into the lower half of the 80s here for our Tuesday. We'll see skies being mostly cloudy in the morning, and we'll work in some sunshine, partly cloudy as we go throughout the late morning and afternoon. Just a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm with a temperature in the low to mid 80s tomorrow. We'll start to drop that humidity as we go throughout the mid part of the week. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I keep going on. The weather looks pretty good here. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds each day with more comfortable temperatures. Highs only around 80 degrees for Wednesday, lows down into the lower 60s, and we're going to keep this mainly dry weather pattern that returns, and it's going to stick around here as we go through the weekend. You will notice when we look at this map, just showing you the moisture content from normal. In the atmosphere, the green is where we're more moist. That's the air mass that's come through here on our Monday, which brought, of course, some localized heavy rain. But we have drier air working back in starting on Tuesday, and that drier air is going to be sticking around for the rest of the week. You can see those brown shadings. That's drier air working in, and that drier air is going to be the general theme as we go through the rest of the week, with very limited chances for any rain. So overall, another good week of weather coming our way across central Indiana. Certainly can't complain as we open up the new month of August starting on Thursday. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a great day.